Hi, my name is Lindsay Weiner and I'm from Style Me ASAP. I am an image consultant and personal stylist, and I'm going to show you how to use a clothes steamer. So, a steamer is a great option instead of an iron. Personally, I like to use a steamer because it is much more gentle than an iron and there's no chance that you will scorch or burn the item. So, the first thing to remember when steaming clothes is always steam clothes hanging up. Never steam clothes that you're physically wearing. The steam can get very hot and it will burn you. Second thing to remember is always use purified water instead of tap water. Tap water usually has different minerals in it that when you steam it and it comes out on the garment, it can leave a mark. So always purified or bottled water. So, let's start steaming. For this, we push the button and get the steam going. You hold that garment out and just go up and down the garment. You can go near the garment, actually touch the garment, or stay a few inches away. It's whatever you prefer. So just keep on going up and down and back and forth until all the wrinkles are out. And if you'd like, you can also go from the inside of the garment to really get at those wrinkles. The one thing that does happen with the steamer is sometimes you get little wet spots like this. But don't worry, they dry in a matter of seconds, sometimes a minute, and they don't make a mark. So let's keep on steaming. So we're going up and down. Let's do the other side. As I said, the steam is very gentle and won't harm the garment, so it's good for any kind of fabric. So, here we go. The garment's done. Thanks so much. I'm Lindsay Weiner, and this is how to use a clothes steamer.